Hi everyone, it's Monday morning. So for breakfast today I've made pancakes using the baked oats recipe. I'll put my link down below so you can have a look at that. It's going to be one sin for the whole breakfast because I've used 2 teaspoons of the Freedom chocolate just in the mixture to make them a little bit chocolatey. So for speed today I'm going to have blueberries, strawberries, apple and a pear, and then like always just a couple of cherries, and then on top of the pancakes just for a little bit more flavour I'm going to have the My Protein raspberry syrup, 6 tablespoons for half a sin, but because I'm only going to have like a little drizzle on the top that's going to be free. And then with it I'm just going to have a bottle of water. I found these in Herons, but I think you can get them in like Home Bargains and B&M's. They're like 89p for 4 of the 500ml bottles. So that's going to be my breakfast for one sin for this morning. Hi everyone, so for dinner today I've got leftover tomato maple syrup, meatballs and rice. It's going to work out about 1.5 sins for the maple syrup in the sauce, but it's quite nice. I've just added a little bit of parsley over the top, just dried one, not fresh. And then with that I'm also going to have a can of iron brew, so that's going to be my dinner for today. Hi everyone, so it's tea time now. So for tea I've got carrots for speed, tomatoes with a bit of garlic salt on top, just roasted in the oven for some extra speed, and then some peas. And then for the main bit I've just got half a cottage pie, homemade, with 1 teaspoon of gravy, so that's half a sin, carrots for speed again, some peas, and then just 5% lean fat mince and potatoes on the top for the mash. So in total that's going to be half a sin for my tea tonight. I'm not using up much sins afterwards because I'll probably go to bed not long after. The only thing I've got left to eat is some cheese, so I'll have to find a way to eat that. I might do my ham parcels as usual, but that's going to be my tea for the time being.